OSWC, Odisha State Warehousing Corporation, recruitment for assistant manager, assistant engineer, superintendent, assistant superintendent, junior engineer or warehouse assistant. So this is the Odisha state government recruitment. The application last date is 10th of December 2021. The starting date of application is 11th of November 2021. You need to go to www.oswc.in. So vacancy, regular vacancies are assistant manager and assistant engineer. The rest of the vacancies are contract basis. So this is the subclassification of categorical vacancies in different for different categories. So this is a group B for assistant manager and assistant engineer, a superintendent, assistant superintendent, junior engineer, or group C, and warehouse group D. This is regarding the notification of the Odisha Warehouse Corporation. The essential qualification for assistant manager is to have a postgraduate degree in management from a university with 60% of marks. Maximum age criteria is 32 years, minimum age is 21 years. A bachelor degree of science in agriculture or postgraduate degree in botany is valid from recognized university with 60% of marks. Should be proficient in use of computer or IT based inventory management system. So this is a qualification for assistant manager. For assistant engineer, it have a bachelor degree in civil. The maximum age criteria is 32, minimum age criteria is 21 years. The number of vacancies, just one vacancy. For superintendent, a postgraduate degree in management is required from any university with 60% of marks, or a bachelor of science in agriculture plus it have proficiency in computer and IT based work. 32 years is the maximum age criteria. Assistant superintendent, their qualification is postgraduate degree in management or a bachelor in business administration with 60% of marks, a bachelor of science in agriculture or botany, and should be proficient in the use of computer, that is Excel or internet. 32 years is the maximum age criteria. For junior engineer, diploma is required, that to civil engineering diploma. And for warehouse assistant, any graduate with computer knowledge is required. 32 years is the maximum age criteria, and there is also relaxation for SC, ST, PWD categories as well. So this notification, they are asking the knowledge of Odia language. You should have passed any of the exam conducted by the state government. That is, you should have a language, essential language as Odisha. This is a fee criteria for unreserved 300 rupees, and SC, ST, PWD are exempted for payment of fees. So it is based on the selection is based on computer based, is conducted by recruitment agency, and for examination will be a single sitting with multiple choice questions. For group B and C there will be around 200 marks, and for group D 150 marks. Each question carries 1 mark, and there is also negative marking. The CBT will be around 2 hours. So this is for the assistant manager. The pay scale is around 44,900 for assistant manager, and for assistant engineer level 10 pay scale 44,900 with HRA, and superintendent the pay scale is around 25,300, and for assistant superintendent 13,300. For junior engineer 25,300, for warehouse assistant 12,600. So this center of examination for CBT will be held in the vicinity of Bhubaneswar. That is, these are the 4 locations where the examination will be conducted. That is Kathak, Berhampur, Rourkela, Sambalpur. So these are the 4 examination centers where you can, while applying, you can just choose. So this is regarding, and the most important thing is that the candidate must able to speak, read and write Odia fluently, and have passed middle school examination with Odia as a language. This is essential eligibility criteria as given in the notification, or at least Odia as subject or medium of examination in non-language subject, or have passed the Odia language in the final examinations of class 7th or above, or have passed the test in Odia language in at least ME school. This is essential thing in the eligibility criteria. So this is regarding the Odisha State Warehousing Corporation Limited corporation recruitment for assistant manager, assistant engineer, superintendent, assistant superintendent. The last date is 10th of December 2021.